Hi, I'm Alexa Pieris, Team Manager for the Cardiff Food Safety and Port Health team. We're recruiting for a Food Safety and Port Health Staff Development Supervisor. If you're passionate about developing people and improving standards, this is a great opportunity. You'll supervise a team of officers, support their training and help them achieve competency under the Food Law Code of Practice. You'll also oversee external audit actions and make sure that our enforcement work is consistent and evidence-based. This Grade 10 role is hands-on, people-focused and central to how we deliver food safety and port health functions across Bridgend, Cardiff and the Vale of Glamorgan. If you're organised, supportive and ready to help our team, we'd love to hear from you. Apply now to join Team SRS and make a real impact across our communities.